Sorry about that. I kind of hit the end button by accident. So anyway, let's finish up here. Put on pickle right there. Pickle, No, I can't do that. Hold on. Sorry, Smiley. You go flat. Okay, so this is kind of failing horribly. Stupid plate has to be like I did. Oh my god. You there. It's in the middle so nothing will slide. Alright. You've got your awesome looking sandwich right there. Now for the taste test. Dun, dun, dun. How do I freaking pick this up? Oh my god. Can you see me? I don't know. Looks good, but I don't know how to eat it. Huh? It's only bread. Move some bread pieces around. No, I always eat the crust. I'm not like a pathetic baby. I got this. Oh. Well, that is a damn good sandwich. Make it at home, you're going to be whisked away. You'll die, go to heaven, and come back to life to enjoy it more. Really good aftertaste and before taste. Okay, so enjoy your food making, but goodbye now.